guys, welcome, and today we'll be creating this beautiful dreamy cute card, and for that I've used Memento Inks and some sponge daubers. I will also be using some Memento markers to color the images. I have used a Jumbo Dauber and some angel pink Memento ink to create my background, and I'm creating this beautiful pink blue green background using Memento inks, and the sponge daubers are just perfect to blend. The paper is Nina Solar White, and the ink glides beautifully on it. So I'm adding summer sky, and my summer sky or my dauber was a little contaminated and it was looking a little green. So to rescue it, I had to add a little Bahama blue, and that really saved my card piece. So this is a very simple background and it is very dreamy and pretty. So I added a little shimmer spritz on top of it and allowed it to dry. So for the next part, I'll be stamping these two little mouse, and I have decided to color it using my Memento markers. So I use the VersaFine Clair black ink and Nocturne ink, and I'll be using my Memento markers and few ink pads to color these cute mice. So using a aqua brush or a water brush, I am picking the color and blending it very quickly on the card. This card doesn't allow a lot of water, and we really did not need a lot of water for this kind of a whimsical watercoloring. So I am adding all these browns, pinks, and some hint of green and pink on these, and it was really easy to blend them. So I'll stop speaking here. You see how I color these, and then once done, I used my sharp pair of scissors to fussy cut them and adhered it on top of the beautiful background. So the card is almost done, and to finish it I decided to trim it and also stamp few hearts in summer sky and angel pink on the blended background. Use the VersaFine Clair Nocturne ink to stamp the sentiment, and once dry I also added the cute images using some double-sided foam tape. I used the on-point glue to stick the panel on my card base. This is a very perfect and strong glue and holds perfectly. But as I had to raise these images, I used the double-sided tape, and this card is so pretty and perfect for Valentine's Day. I hope you enjoyed this, and if you did, please try to recreate it because it is really easy, and you can just change the critters, you can change the combination of the background, and it'll just be lovely. So I hope you enjoyed it, and if you did, do not forget to hit the like button and subscribe to our channel for more videos. Please visit the Imagine blog, as there are tons and tons of inspiration there. And thank you once again for stopping by. See you soon. Take care.